guys are always telling us to clean a dirty car, so I went out there and found the grubbiest motor I could possibly find. And today we're going to be putting our products to the test on this absolutely filthy mudder of a Toyota Land Cruiser. This is why I don't often clean really dirty cars. I mean, the state of me, the state of my wash bay, all of the equipment, and I've still got another area to do. I've got to pop that bonnet and see what's lurking under there, and by the looks of the arches, it's probably not going to be great. Two and a half hours later, and finally we are putting mitt to paint. Now, I'm not accustomed with doing these kind of off-road vehicles, and I really underestimated how long we'd be under there getting all that mud off the chassis. It isn't perfect. This car is a little bit crusty underneath, but we've done our best. It's definitely not dirty under there anymore. All of the mud's off. It's made an absolute mess of my wash bay, which is probably going to take me about another 2 hours to clean up once we're done. But we're over the worst of it. I think we've removed enough of the loose grime that I'm now confident to put mitt to paint and actually get it clean. I've never seen this car clean before. It's a friend of ours from way up north. He dropped it off and said, have a go at that. So that's what we're doing. It is PPF'd. So hopefully, once we've washed it down, there shouldn't be a lot else we're going to do. We're just going to use a spray wax on it, do the windows, dress the tyres, little finishing bits, maybe some trim because it is an old car and that trim might look tired. And then hopefully when we give him it back, you don't go and do that again with it. There we go then. Now, by no means is that the biggest detail we've ever taken on, but it was definitely the muddiest. I can't lie, I'm not into these jobs at all. I'm smothered head to toe in mud and dirt and God knows what else from underneath this. Don't get me wrong, there were moments where it was super satisfying. Jet washing all that mud and dirt off, that was great fun. Doing the engine bay, that was nice. And I can't deny the before and after, well, it speaks for itself. It does look amazing. But to be honest, when it comes to detailing, my heart truly lies with getting a nice old school car that's about 80% there and just taking it to 100. You probably won't see me do another one of these again. Well, not anytime soon. Next time you see us, we'll probably have something a little bit newer or something a little bit cleaner, and then we'll add that extra 10%. I hope you've enjoyed this video anyway, because, well, I've been through the mill to bring it here for you. I've not enjoyed that job, as you can probably tell. See you on the next one.